How to earn 10 till $20 per day. In this video, I'm gonna talk about a website that you can earn 10 till $20 per day. You don't need any skills, any experience. It's completely free to start and available worldwide. And there are different ways of making money online in this website. Please keep watching. Hello, this is Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. How to earn 10 till $20 per day. This is the website I'm gonna show you today. We've paid our members over $84 million in cash. Joining is simple and sign up is free. Start earning now. This is the website irezu.com or erezu.com, and you can earn points and then redeem points to cash, and that's all. That's what you need to do, and you can get paid via PayPal in cash, and that's really simple, and you don't need any skills or experience for making money in this website. And there are different ways to earn money on this website. As you see here, download apps. If you click here, you come over here, get paid for downloading apps. Download new apps and earn easy points. And as you see, our app inventory refreshes daily. Start earning now. And also, this is so interesting that you can watch videos. By watching just videos, you can earn money just like this. If you click here, you overcome here, get paid for watching videos online. Watch entertaining videos and earn easy points. Irezu TV allows you to earn Irezu points for each video that you watch. Our video inventory refreshes daily. Start earning now. Yes, that's all. That's what you need to do, is just watching videos and earn points and choose your rewards. You can you can get paid via PayPal, or also you can choose different kinds of gift cards if you like. If you live in Canada or America, there are more options for you, or if you live in other countries, just you can pay it by PayPal. That's all. As you see, turn those points into cash from PayPal. And you can get also paid by paid surveys. Yes, that's all. If you click here, you can come here, get paid for answering surveys online, share your opinions and earn easy points. Yes, that's all what you need to do. And the surveys on the internet, how it works, is so easy and interesting. Just you can just answer some questions, some routine questions, really routine questions, and then get paid just by answering all those questions. Another way is complete offers. There are different offers for you in this website. Complete our offers and earn easy points just like this. And you see again the same system, there is no difference. Complete offers, earn points and choose your rewards. Another way of making money online in this website is playing games. Yes, it's playing games. Just by playing games you can get paid for that. Yes, that's all. Play your favorite games and earn easy points. Irezu games allow you to earn Irezu points for each game you play. Yes, that's all. And there are a lot of games on this website available for you, and just what you need to do is signing up in this website to start earning money now. If you want to join in this website, you should click here, join. Click here, then you will come here. As you see here, you can join this website with Facebook, or you can enter your email address, first name, last name, password, and then click create account. And that's all what you need to do is that. And this is the dashboard of this website. When you log in, you will see here, and you will see here there are different ways, and play games, answer surveys, complete offers, watch videos, download apps, and also you can invite your friends, other people to this website, to this app, and then you can start making more money just by inviting more friends. And that's all what you need to do. As you see, there are different offers for you here. You can just start by completing some offers, playing game, answering surveys, watching videos, downloading apps, and also you can refer your friends and invite them to this website and start making more money just by this. And that's all what you need to know. And if you click here, rewards store, you will come here, and as you see, for United States there are different kinds of gift cards for you. They are available for you, and for Canada also. But if you live in another country or other countries, just PayPal is available for you, and at least you should have 12,000 points. And the website that I'm talking about is Irezu or Irezu.com, and you can come here, start making money online, and you can earn $10 till $20 per day just by completing some offers, watching videos, downloading apps, and doing some paid surveys and playing games. And that's all what you need to do to earn money in this website. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like the video, subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every single day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click subscribe our channel. Don't forget it. Subscribe our channel. Click subscribe, click. I'm waiting for you. Click subscribe, click.